Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Leos, for your general energies and for your love energies, guys. Queen of Wands reversed, Two of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, Three of Pentacles reversed. Leos, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, things are manifesting the way you want. Okay, the people and the situation, it is according to your expectation. So whatever you wanted, maybe for some of you all, you are starting on something, some new projects, some new ventures in your work or in your relationship. You're planning to start a family, or you are moving into this new relationship or something new in your family life, the relationship with your family members, with your person. So something new, you are changing yourself, some new kind of change is coming over you. So that is also the energy here, Leos. And for some of you all, you may feel you need to decide on something. Maybe you have got a new message or information. Based on that, you need to take some decisions. This may concern your work, or this may concern your relationship. So for some of you all, you do not know which way to go, guys. So something you are between some two different kinds of paths. This may be in your work or in your relationship. So you do not know which way to go. So something you need to decide before you take the next step. So you are on the verge of something, guys. And for some of you all, you may feel a little weak or tired, some kind of boredom due to some routines or some routine work. You feel you want to take rest for some of you all. So that may also be the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of your Leos, you feel today you are fortunate for how things are happening, and you really feel the hands of destiny in your life for how things have turned out. You are reflecting within yourself what has happened all along in your life, and you are feeling very lucky and happy for how things have turned out in your relationship and in your life, guys. So that is the way you feel with these cards, guys. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards here. What is the energy with the other set of cards here? Child, garden, so maybe for some of your Leos, you may, just like I said, you are starting on something new, maybe a new career, maybe something very creative. You are into some creative endeavor. You are taking up a second profession, maybe something related to art, dancing, singing, something of that sort, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you feel you are sacrificing your freedom to do certain things. Maybe you are sacrificing your time and energy to do certain things regarding your work or in this relationship. And you are feeling great, what to say, some kind of elation. This may be a spiritual, some spiritual development today. You are changing yourself emotionally and spiritually, guys. Some changes are happening within you, and you can definitely feel it. Maybe some of you all are having certain beliefs, religious beliefs, so some major changes are happening there. You are deepening your faith, maybe, guys, and devotion, something of that sort. And maybe for some of you all, you are getting a glimpse of your spirituality, your spiritual being. Some kind of spiritual development is there, some kind of emotional development is there, and you're progressing in your life's journey, you feel. And for some of you all, you are overcoming the difficulties that you faced in the past, and you are quite satisfied that things are going in a happy way today, how things are manifesting for you all, guys. So this may be your person's energy towards you and this relationship, or what you feel towards this relationship. Maybe for some of you all, you are feeling really responsible in this relationship, and you want to shoulder the responsibilities, all the trials and ordeals you have to face in your life. You want to shoulder all that happily for being with this person, guys. So that is the energy here. Maybe for some of you all, you are meeting with friends, family, you are having a good time with them, you are spending time with them, you are sharing your success and whatever it is, or you are having a good time with your friend, your person, or you are attending some fundraisers, some leisure activities, some cultural events, something of that sort, guys. So you are enjoying yourself, having a good time, guys. So that is also the energy here. So let us see what is coming up with this angel card, guys. What is your person's feeling towards this relationship? Face your challenges. So this is what they feel about this relationship, or this is what you feel about this relationship, guys. So sometimes in life, you need to have that courage and strength in your heart to face whatever comes our way every day. So every day we face so many challenges, and we learn so much from them, guys, and we should look up to these challenges as great opportunities to grow and learn. So that is what they want to tell you. So, or that is what they want to feel in this relationship. They feel they have to be strong, courageous to face these challenges they have before them, or this is what they want to tell you. They want you to know that you have to have courage and strength in your heart to face all challenges that come your way every day in your life. So that is the reading for your Leos. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.